Hello and welcome everybody and welcome to another Doge update. So we take a look here at the 1 hour time frame for Doge and you can see that we have completed potentially a 5-wave move up yesterday. I did say it to you before, we had 5 waves potentially complete, but I'm not convinced yet because yes, I can label this as a 5-wave move, absolutely. I can leave it. I can label it like that. It's just not super clear to me because the micro patterns, especially here in this region, are super messy and super ugly. But it does work as a 5-wave move, possibly a diagonal pattern, in which then 5 waves in wave 1 are complete, and we're now in a wave 2 pullback. Now, the support zone that I shared with you yesterday, that support zone is actually still relevant. And it's between 13.7 and 14.7 cents. So this is our standard, our standard support zone for a wave 2. I'm not convinced yet, obviously, that this is really a 1-2 setup because we haven't even broken out of this trend channel to the upside. Now we are in a corrective price channel here and started this channel round about mid-late October here. The pullback is a corrective pullback as far as I can identify it. And we are still holding above critical support levels. I mean, from that point of view, this can be classed as wave 2, all okay. But it's obviously questionable because all of the data here around the 10th of October is completely messed up. I explained that many, many times. It's related to the problem that there isn't really much data to read. So we have a wick, okay? Is this 5 waves up? Maybe. I treat it like that, but I said to you as well, we have to be on the side of caution there. It's not very clear. The pullback can be considered a wave 2. And I label it as a WX Y structure. And the Y wave is an ABC. And the C wave had 5 waves. So that's the area where we were watching for a bounce, you remember? And then the golden ratio level is anyway typically a key level. It still works today. People say like, oh yeah, but the fib levels, everybody looks at them so they don't work. But that's exactly the reason why they still work. They're just natural levels where sentiment shifts. And so we have a bounce. Now, is this a breakout? As I said, it's too early to say. We don't even have a break above the upper boundary line there of the channel. But the bulls are trying, clearly. The bulls are trying. What I want to see next is a corrective pullback, a 3-wave move down into the area between 13.7 and 14.7 cents. This is the zone to watch. And if the bulls show up here, it can drive the price higher in a 3rd wave. But 13.7 cents, that's like a make or break point. Bulls need to defend it. So maybe over the coming sessions, we see a pullback that's labeled A, B, C. And so, yeah, that's what I'm treating it like here, a 1-2 pattern, right? So I'll keep you updated about any changes. What we really need to see for a full upside breakout confirmation is a break above the upper boundary line of this trend channel. Anything below is just not gonna cut it. Okay, it's just not gonna be meaningful. That's the update on Doge. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then also make sure to follow us on X for additional updates, charts, news, and much more. There's going to be a live stream tomorrow in which I kick off my new book. So we're going to develop that book together in a series of masterclass live sessions. So it's going to be great. Check it out. There's a link there as well. It's all on YouTube. I shared it here on X as well and what the background is and everything. So check it out. I'll leave a link to our X profile in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.